Hi, my name's Nicole Henry. I'm a money energy expert and business strategist. I help business owners overcome emotional cycles with money while creating personalized strategies in their business to create massive amounts of money. I've always wanted to be an entrepreneur. So right out of high school, I saw an ad on Facebook that was for massage school. I went to massage therapy school and I fell in love. I graduated making $80 an hour, rolling in the dough, thinking I had all the financial peace that I ever needed. I thought I had made it until crisis hit. When crisis hit, I found myself next to my son in his hospital bed, allergic to all food, vomit to shock, go blue, and doctors told me that he would live on formula for the rest of his life or he would die. Not only was my son possibly going to die, I also had hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of medical debt, and my marriage was falling apart. We were on the verge of divorce. I ended up becoming an obsessed mom and researcher, and I was able to heal my son naturally. But the one thing research couldn't help me with was getting rid of this load of debt that was just weighing on my heart, my mind, and my soul. I felt alone and like I had nothing left. I didn't want to spend years snowballing my debt, and I knew there had to be a different way. That's when I decided to activate my intuition and decided that money would no longer control my life. I knew in my heart there had to be a faster way. That's when I hired my first coach, and I recognized that there's more to money than anything you could read in a book. There's more to money than anything you could ever Google online, and I started to actually experience manifestation. I was able to pay off all of our debt within 3 months of hiring this coach and quickly healed our marriage. Fast forward 5 years later, and I've been able to create multiple six-figure businesses helping people in different areas of their life. All of that has led me to what I do now, which is helping business owners manifest and create massive amounts of money in their business while creating personalized strategies that their brain understands. It took me 5 years to get my financial mindset where it needed to be and 13 years to get to where I am now. It is my mission that no business owner wastes 13 years of their life creating the financial freedom that they want. So I've helped a single mom manifest a $5 million ranch. I've helped a business owner deposit $90,000 in my 5-week program. I've helped a business owner 7 times her income in just 30 days. I have taken a coach from $0 to $20,000 in 30 days. I believe as humans, if we can get out of our mind and tap into our intuition, we can create incredible results. Again, my name is Nicole Henry, and it is time to activate your intuition and create these results in your own life.